awake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay guys, so today we are tackling my fridge. As you can tell, it looks absolutely insane. I mean, it's been worse. Let's be honest. It's been worse. But not really the organization part that I'm talking about. It's the dirtiness of it. There's like stains everywhere. Be ready. There's blood. Eee! I had one of my steaks in the package and I just sat it there and it leaked. It's so disgusting, I know, but that's why we're cleaning it. So don't judge me, judge your mama. Anyways, I'm just kidding. But yeah, it's really bad. So I decide normally I'll do like a quick cleaning of the fridge, but today I decided, you know what? I'm going to take everything out and we're going to do a deep clean of the fridge because it needs it. Did I say what I normally do? I normally just take out like one thing off like all the stuff off of one shelf, and then I'll wipe that down, put that stuff back, and then, go on. But today I was like, no, we need to get everything out, make sure we have nothing that's expired, and clean every single shelf, every single thing, and just do it. So that's what I did today, and I really didn't want to, guys. I was feeling so lazy this day, but I said, you know what? Let's just do it. Don't put too much thought into it. Don't think about it too much. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just get it done. So that's what I did. So I hope that you guys get motivated to maybe clean your fridge if you haven't done it in a while. Maybe organize it a little. You don't need to go out and buy all this extra stuff. It's unnecessary. Get it organized as much as you can. I like to face things the right way or put alike things together. Anything that you can do to just make it look a little bit more organized, that's fine. You don't need all the extra bins and stuff. You can if you want to, but I didn't go out and get all, which I have a lot of bins anyway, but I kept it simple because if I do it too much, my kids will just unorganize it, and then I get frustrated, they get frustrated, I'm yelling at them. So it's just easier for us to keep my stuff that I normally use organized and their stuff easily accessible and ready to just go back. It's a win over here if they can just get it in the fridge and put it back. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and leave me a comment down below if you like these type of videos, because I can continue to show you guys the things that I organize, because I pretty much organize one thing per day. But yeah, I hope that you enjoy.
Well, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. You and I can weather any storm.
your tone. But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we'll just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like. So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la la.
Guys, so one thing that I'm really bad at is prepping my fruits and vegetables. And I really like when it's done, specifically my fruits, because my kids will eat it, snack on them, eat them, whatever, way more when they're prepared and cut up nicely and clean. They just use them more. But when I don't, they just really don't even bother with them. So I need to get better at doing that right when I do the groceries. And it's so much doing the groceries, getting it out of the car, putting it away. By the time I'm done with that and then I have to cook dinner, I'm exhausted, but I'm going to be better at it. I promise.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting.
I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and got motivated to get something done in your home. And until next time, love you guys. Bye.
Love you, baby, let me love